Filling tax form in Google AdSense is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome. Then you should search for Google AdSense and click on the Google AdSense website link. Once the Google AdSense website dashboard is open, click on the Get Started button. After that, you need to enter your Google account information. When your Google AdSense website is open, you'll see various tabs: Home, Sites, Ads, Privacy and Messaging, Brand, Safety, Reports, Optimization, Policy Center, Payments, Accounts, and Feedback. In this case, click on the Payments button, and then select Payments Info. Proceed to click on Add Payment Account, where you'll need to provide your name and address, including address line 1 and address line 2. Enter your city name and postal code as well. Optionally, you can enter your phone number if desired. Then, click on the Submit button. Following that, click on the Manage Settings button and then select Payment Schedule. You also have the option to increase your payment threshold. After that, click on the Payment Schedule button. Upon completing these steps, your tax form in Google AdSense will be filled out. So, this is how you can fill tax form in Google AdSense.